Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing a worksheet to visualize square pyramid. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. I will show you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We will be designing a square pyramid. We will first declare what is a pyramid, then what is a square pyramid. Then we will have a slider and we will try to draw a pyramid with a height, and we will tell them that what are the base and what are the faces and how many vertices and how many edges. Then we will rotate it and then show it to the children. Then we will also discuss the surface area formula and the volume formula. And not only that, we will always tell them that what is the net of this square pyramid. Let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet, geometry view, and in option I have taken rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. Let us now start with the heading square pyramid. Okay. Well, now we can tell them that what do you mean by a pyramid? Pyramid is a three-dimensional figure and it is having the base as a polygon. Now we can ask the children that what type of polygons can come. The child will be coming out with so many answers. Then you can tell them that we are going to discuss here a special pyramid where the base is a square. Simple. Well, escape. I have given the headings and all. Well, now after this, we will try to draw a square now. The square can be drawn directly from GeoGebra, but we will try to have different squares. For that, the option is go to the slider, and I am taking integer. There is no need that you should take integer. You can take a number also, but I have taken integer with increment 1. You can take a number with increment as per your convenience, maybe 0.5 or 0.2, whatever may be. Okay, now I am keeping this in over here. Now I will take the line segment with a given length. Let me touch it. It will ask me the length. I will type small n. Now when I move it, now the base also changes. Now the side of the base you can call. Now to draw a square, GeoGebra is giving you directly regular polygon. Touch this A, touch this B. Then it will ask for 4 is actually the defaulter. We need a square, therefore click OK. What is the advantage over here? We are having a square, but you can change the side of it. I can have a square of length 10 and length 4, length 5, whatever I want. Okay, let me put it over here. Okay, now let me get the center of it. You know what is the meaning of a center? I have got the center. Now again go to this three-dimensional graphics from view. Okay, you got the square on the right side. It is waiting there for us. Okay, after that, if you click this, remember this thing which you have to be very careful. Whenever you are clicking this view, then the tool of two-dimensional will open. When you click this, the tool of three-dimensional will open. Therefore, there you go and click this perpendicular line. What it tells? Select the point and the plane. Therefore, select the plane and select the point. Okay, now actually it is E. Okay, now go escape. Then go to this view, go for the input bar. We are going to input a point now. Okay, before we go for that, we will try to have a slider for height. Okay, that also I am taking once again integer, HEIGHT, from 1 to 10. Maybe I think you can have your own number. I am just keeping it. Okay, height I got it now. Okay, now I will define a new point capital H. Its x coordinate is the x coordinate of E which is the point at the center, and y coordinate of capital E, which is at the center, and its z coordinate is height. Remember, whenever you are typing it, you are seeing that after typing, the color of that particular font changes into blue. E is in blue, E is in blue, height is in blue. The meaning is already these values are available in GeoGebra. Otherwise, it won't change. Okay, I am pressing enter. When I do this, you see, it is moving. Capital H is moving. Well, now let me go for getting that pyramid now. Go to this escape. Always do the escape. Okay, go to this pyramid. In pyramid, what it wants, select the polygon and then select the top point. Select the polygon and then the top point. Got it? Okay, this line is not required to me, therefore I will show object. Okay, now I can rotate and show it to the children. Fantastic. Now I can move this height. I will get different pyramids. I move this base. I will get the base as getting extended. Okay, well, what type of pyramid it is? It is having a square pyramid. And what are its base and what are its faces and all, you can show it to the children. Now I am putting it over here. A square base, 4 triangular faces and 5 vertices and 8 edges. The child can come and get it. Okay. Now let me go for getting the slant height. For that, let me get the midpoint of one of the side. For example, midpoint of AB. I got it. I will go to this segment. I am doing everything in 3 dimension. I am coming joining it. Again I am joining H and E. It is in dotted line. Why it is in dotted line? It is the height. Now you should know this actually. What is this one? I will right click and then okay. It is L. You have to remember it is L. The slant height is L. Okay, well, now let us go for first the formula for surface area. Okay, I think surface area, before we will declare the formula to the children. Okay. Okay, if the surface area formula is having some fraction, therefore go for the latex formula. Between surface and area you want a space, therefore give the space is equal to base area. Therefore base in latex formula give a space area, area, okay, plus half into, therefore you have to go for half. In the latex formula you are having this half. Okay, then we will come back, multiplied by perimeter. You can put it in the bracket or whatever you want, multiplied by perimeter into slant height, perimeter, perimeter, okay, multiplied by slant height. Instead of this multiplication symbol, there is a symbol direct also. You can use that symbol also. If you are not interested in that, using that star. Okay, for base area plus A by B. What is A? It is 1 by 2. Therefore it is 1 by 2. Anyway, I think I have given the formula of the surface area to the children. Now how to calculate it? You need the perimeter. Further it is very simple. Go for it and then go for this distance or length. You will get the perimeter. Perimeter of polygon. Okay, before we go for that, let us display them. Base area. What is it? Base area. Remember, it is a polygon. Therefore, it will be in poly 1. It will be in poly 1. Okay, you got 25. You know that what is the area? N is equal to 5, N is equal to 6, N is equal to 7 and so on. A square. Okay. Well, then perimeter of base is equal to, okay. Then you are going for the object. It is perimeter poly 1. Okay, you got it as 4 into 5, 20. Okay, then the slant height. What is the slant height? You got it? It is actually from the object, it is L. Okay, you got it very well. Okay, therefore capital S is equal to base area POLY1. You see it is changing into blue color. Therefore you should be careful. Plus half into 1 by 2 into, what is the perimeter? It is actually 4 times N. Therefore 4 star N into slant height, therefore it is L. Okay, you enter it. Now you can come back 1 minute here. I think the display is little bit, you should be okay. All are displayed nicely. Go for this text, go to this text and then type over here surface area is equal to, now I have calculated just now, it is I have given capital S. Okay, you got it. Surface area 80.9. Okay, now let us go to the formula for volume. Okay, we will come back to that. Escape. This ABC. Go for the volume formula. The volume formula is having latex. Therefore, latex formula, volume is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, A by B. Okay, multiplied by, in the symbol multiplication, into base area. Base area, if you want to have it gap space area multiplied by height. Therefore, in the symbol, once again you can go for multiplication into height. Okay, it is 1 by 3. Therefore, 1 upon 3. Good. You got the formula for volume. How to calculate it is very simple. Therefore, capital V is equal to base 1 by 3 within the bracket 1 by 3. Okay, multiplied by star base area poly 1. You got it, poly 1. Okay, then multiplied by height HEIGHT, height. Got it. Base area, I think instead of poly 1 you can write a n square also, there is no issue. Okay, now press enter. Volume has been calculated. Now go for this, display that volume to the children. Volume is equal to, from the object property it is capital V. Okay, I got the volume also. Now this can be cancel and then escape. This can be hidden now. Okay, now the child can change the height and they can change the perimeter of the base and they can get the volume, they can get the surface area at any place they can get it. Another interesting thing, you can rotate it and then show it to the children, and you can show the grid of, net of it also. Go to the net and then simply touch it. You will get one more. Here you got it. A slider. Go to that slider and then show it to the children that how the base is the square and there are 4 triangular faces. Child can understand better. Okay, therefore this is a very interesting dynamic worksheet. Explains what is a pyramid, what is a square pyramid, what is the base and what are its faces and how many vertices are there, how many edges are there, and the formula to calculate the surface area, the volume, and then visualizing the net of it. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.